guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So in this video I'm going to do a spring deep clean of the kids room. I kind of turned it into a dumping ground for all my decor items, but I'm going to do better. So because the kids are going to be home now, I want to make them more comfortable. So I'm going to deep clean this room and do a little bit of a makeover. As a part of the makeover, I purchased 2 new bed panels, mattresses, and box springs in order to make the kids more comfortable and enjoy their room. Since school is closed and they're gonna be home a lot more, I want their room to be fun and comfortable yet functional. Smile more when I see your face. Smile more when I feel love. Smile less when I need to let go. Let go. Smile less when I let go. So in order to accomplish this makeover, it's a lot of deep cleaning, wiping the walls, wiping the floors, getting it nice and refreshed. I also wipe down the windowsill because that tends to get dirty a lot because dust just sits there for a long time, especially if you don't wipe it often. And I will never sell my soul, but you could ride at least. And don't believe in make believe, just make your hands meet. Say a weekend and the weekend, never stress a thing. But we gon' go another day when we don't disagree. And when the sun's shining, regardless if you do believe. Hey, celebrate in the morning when I see your face. Need you more when you go, I need you more every day. Keep a foot on the brake in case I lose all control. Yeah, so baby don't lose control. I'm focused on you, baby, lately you've been in my head. So the walls are clean on this side, so I'm going to sweep the floor and wipe the floor as well. I kind of cleaned this room in sections because if I was going to do it all at once, I would be exhausted. So this side is done. I'm going to vacuum this room. Then I'm going to clean the wall on the other side of the room. I don't want to be left alone. Oh no. I'm sorry guys, I wasn't able to get the full footage of the deep clean with me because my camera fell into a bucket of water, which upset me and threw my mood off for this deep clean. However, I was able to put up the new twin bed. Well, one of the beds is actually made of metal and not pressed board, so it's pretty durable and it'll last a long time because the kids are pretty rough on the furniture, so they're super happy. I can't wait to put this room together. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The next one will be I'll be putting the box spring together and giving you a review of the mattress. So stay safe out there and I'll see you on the next one.